In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import transactions Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a bank statement file into your Xero account quickly and accurately using Xero's own CSV template to avoid common errors. Start on your Xero dashboard. Open the accounting menu at the top, then choose Bank Accounts. This is where all your connected and manual accounts live. Find the account you want to update and open the three dots menu beside it. From that menu, select Import a Statement. This tells Xero you're about to upload a file of historical transactions, which is perfect when a bank feed isn't available or you need to fill a date gap. On the import screen, download the Xero CSV template and open it in your spreadsheet app. Use this template. It contains the exact column headings Xero expects. Fill it in carefully. Dates should follow the format shown in the template and match your organization's regional settings. Amounts must be numeric only, with deposits as positive and withdrawals as negative. Keep descriptions clear and concise and avoid special characters or extra spaces. Don't insert extra columns or change the header names, and remove any blank rows at the top or bottom. If you're compiling data from multiple bank files, make sure there are no duplicates and that the date range doesn't overlap with transactions you've already imported. When you're done, save the file as a CSV, ideally in UTF-8 format. Back in Xero, click Select File and choose your saved CSV. Then click Next. Xero will prompt you to map and assign columns. Match the date, amount, and description fields to the correct columns from your file. If your template has separate money in and money out, map those accordingly. If it has a single amount column, ensure the signs are correct. Confirm the bank account and currency are right, and scan the preview for anything that looks out of place, like dates in the wrong order or unusually large figures. Click. Next, to review the summary. If Xero flags an issue, fix your CSV and re-upload. When everything looks good, click Complete Import. You'll see a confirmation and the transactions will appear under the account. From here, you can move straight into reconciling and coding, confident that your data is clean and ready to use. That's it. Your transactions are now imported into Xero with minimal fuss and maximum accuracy.